What could be more honest than a dog's gaze? Today, Proverbs about dogs. Wisdom that will teach you loyalty, patience, and the ability to enjoy simple things. Wise dog proverbs and sayings that teach deep life lessons. A scalded dog fears cold water. Only your dog will give up his bone for you. Dog does not eat dog. Barking dogs seldom bite. Every dog has his day. An old dog cannot alter his way of barking. If you wish the dog to follow you, feed him. A kitchen dog is never a good rabbit hunter. Your dog loves you even when you have nothing. The dog never forgets its owner. You can't teach an old dog new tricks. A living dog is better than a dead lion. Let sleeping dogs lie. The silent dog is the first to bite. Love me, love my dog. A dog that barks at the moon barks in vain. A good dog deserves a good bone. The wolf enters a flock that is without a dog. He who pelts every barking dog must pick up many stones. The dog that hates to obey his owner will sleep without his supper. Dogs never lie about love. If you love dogs, you must also accept the fleas. A dog doesn't enter if the door is not open. Dogs do not prefer bones to meat. It is just that no one ever gives them meat. Which of these dog proverbs touched you the most? Do you have a dog now, or have you ever had one? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. And subscribe so you don't miss the next videos about the wisdom of animals. See you next time.